Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to place a bet on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time you upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open any web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, you'll get to this website. On this website, you'll have to log into your account by clicking on this button. And if you don't have an account, you can click on this join link to create a new account. Once you have created your account, go ahead and log into your account. You'll have to enter your login credentials in these boxes, then press on login. Once you are logged into your account, you'll be taken to this homepage. Now, on this page, you can go to the sport that you want to place a bet on. For example, I'd like to place a bet on this soccer game, so I'll just click on the match. Then, this form will open up, and on this form, I can place my bets. You can click on the odds that you want to bet on. For example, I'll just click on this one and this one. If you scroll a bit down, you will see other options too that you can click on. Once you have selected your odds, you can click on this arrow button, then enter your stake. Once you have entered your stake, you can click on this button where it says place bet. But before that, you'll have to deposit some money into your account. To do so, click on your profile at the top right corner, then click on this deposit button. Then, they will ask you to enter your bank details, and once you deposit the money, you can place your bet. So, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.